Meaning of disclose.
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 Disclose. The term disclose refers to the act of revealing or making something known that was previously secret or hidden. This can refer to any type of information, such as personal details, financial data, or confidential business information. When someone discloses information, they are essentially providing access to knowledge that was previously unavailable. This can have a range of effects, from building trust and fostering transparency to causing controversy or even legal consequences if the disclosed information is sensitive or protected. Overall, disclosure is an important concept in many areas of life, including communication, relationships, and business.